Okay.
On behalf of Group 2, I'd like to welcome you. My name is Han. I'm the leader of Group 2, and they are members of our group. Nguyễn Đức Anh, Trương Đức Châu, Nguyễn Thị Nguyệt, Nguyễn Thị Tuyết Mai, and Bùi Phương Thảo. Thank you for joining us today for the discussion. We would like to present to you the topic of design. Our talk will be in six parts to answer six main questions. One, why work done by heart slower than work done by machine? Two, are there any tasks that can be done faster by hand than by machine? Three, are there any tasks that cannot be done by machines at all? Four, what are some factors that contribute to the efficiency of machine compared to manual labor? Five, can the quality of work differ between manual labor or machine work? Six, what are some potential drawbacks or limitation of relying solely on machine for routine tasks. Before we delve into the main topics, I'd like to take a moment to introduce myself. I've been a part of Group 2 for some time now, and I have a keen interest in the subject matter we'll be exploring today. My full name is Phạm Thị Hoài. I'm 29 years old. Now I'm a freelancer. I'm working and living in Ninh. I'm excited to share my perspective and contribute to our discussion, and I look forward to hearing from all of you as well. Without further ado, let's dive into our first part. One, why is work done by heart slower than work done by machine? Machines can work faster than humans for several reasons, including one, consistency. Humans are prone to effective distraction and fluctuation in performance, which can lead to inconsistency in the quality and speed of their work. Machines, on the other hand, operate with programmed precision and they extend tasks exactly as programmed, ensuring consistent output without deviation. Two, speed. Machine can do the same task over and over again, much faster than people can. This helps business make more things in less time, which is important for industry that need to make a lot of stuff quickly. Three, strengths. Machine can be equipped with models, hydra, or the power source to exert significant force or handle heavy loads. This enables them to perform tasks that could be physically or even dangerous for humans. For example, industrial robots are commonly used in manufacturing to lift and manipulate heavy objects with ease. Next one is automation. Machines can work on their own without needing someone to watch them all the time. Once they set up, they can keep doing the same job over and over without any help. This lets people focus on other important things instead of doing repetitive tasks. Next one, specialization. Machine can be made for specific jobs, so they're good at doing those tasks. For example, some machines are made to cut metal very precisely, while others are made to put things together quickly. When machines are designed for specific job, they can do it really well, which helps business be more efficient and make better products. Overall, machines are better than people at many things because they can do tasks consistently, quickly, and with more checks. They can work on their own or be customized to do specific jobs really well, which help business save time and make better products. Here are some examples. The first you can see here, automobile manufacturing. Next one is agricultural harvesting. And here we have construction industry. That's all I want to say. Now let's move on to the second part of our talk, which is about, are there any tasks that can be done faster by hand than by machine?
Hello everyone, I am Thao and my full name is Bùi Phương Thảo. I'm 29 years old. I grew up in Taipei City and now I'm live in Hanoi capital. I got married and I have a child. I am a doctor and I'm working in a Kati Medical Center. I think I'm suitable for my job because I like to communicate with people and take care of other helps me have more experience and more distinct knowledge. I've always wanted to improve my English, so now that I have time, I have finally signed up for class online. Now, I answer the question too. Are there any tasks that can be done faster by hand than by machine? In today's modern world, machines have become an integral part of our daily life, from automated assembly line to smart device. Technology has undoubtedly made our tasks easier and more efficient. However, despite the numerous advantages of machine, there are still certain tasks that can be done faster by hand. One such task is handwriting. While typing on the keyboard may seem quicker, handwriting can often be faster when it's become to taking notes or jotting down ideas. The fluidity and speed at which one can write with a pen or pencil allow for a seamless flow of through on paper. Additionally, handwriting offers a personal touch that cannot be replaced by a machine. Another task that is often done faster by hand is a type of work require precision, finesse, and attention to detail or just to its individual. For instance, such as shoveling cooker dry, whipping mount, go up and downstairs, clean in many spots with different design and terrains, picking up the objects on the horizon, plane, or intricate drawing or painting require precision and attention to detail that machine may struggle to achieve. Because machine depend on a human and it can only perform tasks that human pre-program cannot handle was outside the scope of their setting. Human hand often seen as the standard for manipulation, not only because the human hands have a great manipulation capability, but because we are constantly surrounded by objects that were designed and built specially to be manipulated by the human hand. Machine that simulate human hand still have long to before they truly that literally of the human hand. So that the line caring for patient and the pupil housemaid requires the fitness of the hand such as medical examination and treatment or greeting personal handmade art is using human hand are still faster and more efficient than machine. In conclusion, while machine have revolutionized many aspects of our life and made numerous tasks faster and more efficient, there are still certain areas where the human talk prevails. In my opinion, when machine develop and dominates the creation of product jobs that require the literary of hand of skilled worker or technician are more appreciated and bring great economic values than before. That's all. Thank you for your listen.
Thank you, Ms. Tao, for your talk. Now we come to the next point, which is about, are there any tasks that cannot be done by machines at all?
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Nguyễn Đức Anh and I am from Hải Phòng, but now I am living and working in Hanoi City. I am 36 years old. I am a doctor and work in Phương Đông Hospital. My hobby is watching movie and listening to music, and I'm very happy to share with you everyone today. And it's my questions. Are there any tasks that cannot be done by machine at all? This is a very good question, and as far as I know, there is still a lot of debate in the world about whether the machine can replace humans or not. And I would answer yes. And I think there's many jobs where machine cannot replace humans. In fact, with the current developments of uh, 4.0 techniques, no job is safe forever from the threat of automations. Whatever your job is, if given enough time, machine can simulate it perfectly. It's just a matter of time and optimization at work. A typical example of this is the introduction of robots replacing humans in daily production work. Robots and computers can learn to perform even the strange tasks. There are robots learning to drive a car like Google or perform simple surgeries like a skin doctor, or the birth of some softwares like ChatGPT to replace writing homework, project work. The technology is now available. It was only a matter of time before it became mainstream. The computer power needs to regress. The iPhone has existed since the 90s, but it was too expensive to be affordable for everyone. Over time, technology change and there's more and more things that machine will really replace people daily work is. So the answer to the question is any task that cannot be done by machine at all. What jobs exist out there depend on regularly optimized human attributes, jobs that and spill from miscellaneous tedium but revolve around being performed by none other than humans. Or even better, what jobs exist out there that we also want someone else to do? Can you think of a job out there where you would hire and play one of these people instead of buying the computer to do that job? I can think of a few rings like jobs. Number one, nurse, caregivers, or babysitter. There's no doubt that this will be a growing industry, especially as life expectancy continues to increase. Anyone who personally care for the health and well-being of humans can be warranted hiring risky over robots. No one wants to stare at a cold, emotionless robot as the rest in a hospital bed. Once told people will always be given priority. Number two, teachers. So many questions this exceptionally with self-study or online course that run the risk of altering this perspective. I don't completely agree with that concept as I enjoy online learning in my high school. I still do not believe that a student can have a full educational experience without a personal mentor. There's a clear division between computer providing information to student and teacher, giving students the opportunity to the grasp knowledge. Number three, assist. Why unlikely to remain a vital part of the economy is will always be more difficult for computers to skillfully influence the emotion of their audience in a way while that a human artist can do. This does not stop to the great artist from being human. Number four, prostitutes. Also, people may scope or plus at this comments. I still mention that the word honest profession is most likely still the one honest profession. Host, escort, stripper, porn star, etc. All have unwrapped security in the profession because their strong attention is their human character. Number five, regular pastor or musician speaker. The very image of a robot in the shape of a devil ruler standing in a public screen as us about anachronism. When we look for a competent leader, we look for a human being. When we look for someone to help interpret our constitution or various texts, we would never dream of placing our most valuable element of faith in the hand of a cold machine. Number six, programmers. Even and robots get better at learning how to learn on their own. There will be a need for people who teach robots how to teach themselves how to learn things before us. By choosing to follow this career path, you may very well become a contributing factor to the demise of humanity, or you can be one of the great army of machines that will lead your person needs to victory as well use your power carefully. And the last, mathematician. Robots it can be said is very best mathematics. As any programmer who has encountered routing errors or stuck overflows. When a computer looks at a math problem, it's a no shot math concept with answering to the question as it is running through on the possibility until it's a file an answer or set of answer. That makes sense. Computers are not better as smart than human. They are just faster as the math they do well. Surely exploring and advancing the fields of mathematics require creative thinking and mental strength that I don't believe a machine can achieve. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Mr. Đức Anh, for your valuable insights. Now, I'd like to hand over to Ms. Nguyệt to continue with their perspective on next part. What are some factors that contribute to the efficiency of machines compared to manual labor?
Good morning, everyone. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Nguyễn Thị Nguyệt. I'm from Bắc Giang, but now I'm living and working in Thanh Hóa province. I'm 27 years old. My major is primary education. I'm a teacher. I'm working at Happy Time School. I love my job very much because I love working with my students. They are very lovely. Today, I want to talk about what are some factors that contribute to the efficiency of machines compared to communal labor. Factors such as speed, precision, endurance, automation, safety, and efficiency in resource utilization. First, one of the most significant advantages of machines is their speed. Machines are designed to perform the tasks at a much faster rate than humans can. For example, in manufacturing, automated machines can produce hundreds or even thousands of products in a single day, whereas manual labor could struggle to match such output. This increased speed not only leads to higher productivity, but also enable businesses to meet customer demand more effectively and efficiently. Second, precision is another factor that contributes to the efficiency of machines. Machines are programmed to perform tasks with a high level of accuracy and consistency. They are not prone to human errors such as fatigue, distraction, or lack of concentration. This precision is particularly cru- crucial in industries where the quality and precision of the end product are essential, such as electronics or medical device manufacturing. Machines can consistently produce products to exact specification, reducing waste and ensuring customer satisfaction. Third, endurance is also a significant advantage of machines over manual labor. Machines can work continuously for extended period without experiencing fatigue or physical limitation. This endurance is particularly valuable in industries that require continuous operations, such as production lines or transportation. Unlike humans, machines do not require rest breaks, meals, or sleep, allowing businesses to operate, allow the crop, and maximize productivity. Next, automation is another factor that contributes to the efficiencies of machines. Through automation, machines can perform complex tasks without humans' intervention, further increasing productivity and reducing the need for manual labor. Automation allows for the seamless integration of different processes, eliminating bottlenecks and reducing the time required to complete a task. For example, in a manufacturing plant, automated machines can be programmed to transfer products from one stage to another, reducing the need for manual handling and streamlining the production process. Next, safety is a crucial consideration when comparing machines to manual labor. Machines can be designed with safety features that protect operators from hazardous or stainless tasks. For instance, in construction machines such as crane or forklift can lift heavy load, reducing the risk of injuries associated with manual life netting. Additionally, machines can be equipped with sensors and fail-safe machines that detect and prevent accidents, further enhancing workplace safety. Finally, efficiency is resource utilization is another advantage of machines. Machines can be designed to optimize the use of resources such as energy, raw material, and time. For instance, machines can be programmed to minimize energy cons- consumption or reduce material waste, leading to cost saving and environmental benefits. Machines can also complete tasks in a shorter time frame, allowing businesses to meet tight deadlines and improve overall efficiency, while machines offer numerous advantages over manual labor. It is essential to note that they are not meant to replace human workers entirely. Machines are most effective when combined with human intelligence and skills. Humans bring creativity, problem solving ability, adaptability, and emotional intelligence to the workplace, which are essential for tasks that require decision making, critical thinking, and interaction with customer or colleagues. In conclusion, machines offer several advantage over manual labor in terms of efficiency factors such as speed, precision, endurance, automation, safety, and resource utilization contribute to the superior performance of machines. However, it is important to strike a balance between utilizing machines and harnessing human skills to achieve optimal productivity productivity and success in various industries. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ms. Nguyệt, for your opinion. Next up, we'll hear from Mr. Châu. Mr. Châu, please continue by sharing your.
Hello everyone, my full name is Trương Đức Châu. I am 34 years old and currently working as a doctor. I was born in Nghệ An, but I'm currently living and working in Hanoi capital. My presentation will clarify the content further. Can quality of work differ between manual labor and machine work? I think yes. Quality of work can be different by manual labor and machine work. Both approach have their unique strengths and limitations, and choice between often and on nature have precision, refinement, and efficiency. Manual labor relies on human skin, dexterity, and decision making, while human skill and task require creative. While human Excel tasks require creativity, adaptability, and complex problem solver, they may also introduce error due to fatigue, distraction, and variation in skill level. Additionally, manual labor can be slow and less consistent than machine work, uh, especially for repetitive tasks. On the other hand, machine work offer unparalleled precision, speed, and consistency. Machine can perform repetitive tasks with many deviation, leading to high accuracy and output. Uh, they are not subject to physical fatigue, emotion, or external distraction, contributing to more uh, reliable and standard is the production process. However, the quality to work in machine-based process heavily relies on programming, maintenance, and suitability of machine for specific tasks. Poorly programmed machine or lack of regular maintenance can result in defect in or inefficiencies. Uh, Additionally, machine may structure will task the require adaptability and also understanding of the complex situation. In summary, the quality of work can differ between manual labor and machine work with each approach having its own set of advantage and drawback. The ideal choice depends on specific requirement of task and goal of production process. Is that all? Thanks for listening.
A big thank to Mr. Chow for the information presentation. In the final part of our discussion, I would like to invite Ms. Tuyết Mai.
Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Tuyết Mai. I am 38 years, originally from Vinh. I have lived and worked in Hanoi for more than 15 years. Last year, I made a big decision to return to Vinh to live and work. I hold a bachelor degree in accounting from NEU. I work as an accounting manager at a highway company. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, traveling, and listening music. Let's back to my question. I will talk about potential drawback of or limitation of relying solely on machine for certain tasks. The first, dependence. The more we rely on technology, the more dependent we become on it. This dependence can lead to lack of self-reliance and inability to cope without technology. The second, isolation. While technology can connect us with people from all around the world, it can also lead to social isolation as people become more engrossed in their device and less interacting in face-to-face interaction. The third, security. With the rise of technology, there is also an increase of potential for security breaches, cyber attack, and identity theft. Hence, the overuse of technology can have negative impact on physical and mental health, including eye strain, repetitive strain injuries, sleep disruption, and addiction. Environment impact. The production and disposal of technology can have a significant impact on the environment, including in contributing to its weight and carbon emission. And the last, inequality. Not everyone had equal access to technology, which can lead to a digital divide and exacerbates exacting social and economic equality. Overall, it's important to acknowledge and address the potential drawback and limitation of the technology to ensure that this is used in a way that benefits everyone and does not cause harm to individual or the planet. That's my answer. Thank you.
Thanks, Ms. Tuyết Mai. And that ends the sixth part of our talk. That's all we want to say about the topic of design. And now, if there are any questions, we could be pleased to answer them. We'd like to thank you for taking time out to listen to our discussion. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.
Goodbye.